Hey, fellow travelers, if you've got a thirst for adventure and a passport itching for new stamps, you're going to love diving into this list of must-visit dream destinations around the world. Whether you're after serene beaches, historic wonders, or exhilarating wildlife experiences, I've got just the right spots for you. First up, imagine yourself in Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Picture this. You're lounging in an overwater bungalow, gazing at the endless turquoise waters, and maybe even snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs. It's not just a scene from a movie, it's your next vacation calling. Next stop, Santorini, Greece. Ah, Santorini, with its stunning sunsets that paint the sky, and those iconic whitewashed buildings perched high above the Aegean Sea. This place isn't just picturesque, it's a slice of Greek heaven right here on Earth. Let's jet over to Kyoto, Japan. Walking through Kyoto is like stepping back in time. From ancient temples and traditional tea houses to the historic geisha district, Kyoto offers a peaceful yet profound peek into Japan's rich cultural tapestry. Ready for a wild adventure? Serengeti National Park in Tanzania is where it's at. Picture this. You're in a safari jeep watching the Great Migration, elephants, lions, and gazelles. It's like your own live documentary. There's nothing quite like the raw, untamed beauty of the African savanna. How about something mystical? Perched in the Andes, Machu Picchu in Peru is a marvel of ancient Inca engineering, wrapped in an enigma of myths and spectacular views. Walking through these ruins, you're walking through history, touched by the clouds. Craving for something cool? Iceland's dramatic landscapes of geysers, waterfalls, and volcanoes are straight out of a fantasy book. And if you're lucky, the dance of the northern lights across the sky will captivate your heart forever. For underwater enthusiasts, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia is a kaleidoscope of marine life. Diving here is not just swimming, it's an explosion of colors and life beneath the waves. It's a world-class experience that belongs on every diver's bucket list. Last but definitely not least, the Amalfi Coast in Italy. It's where the mountains meet the sea in a symphony of colorful cliffside villages. Whether you're sipping limoncello or exploring scenic trails, Amalfi combines natural beauty with quintessential Italian charm. So there you have it. Each of these destinations offers something unique, something unforgettable. It's all about what calls out to your heart. Ready to pack your bags yet? Remember, the world's a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So go ahead, start planning your next chapter. Happy travels, everyone!